Hello friends, now again in this video I am explaining the examples depending on binomial distribution. All these examples are useful for your examination preparation and it will help you to increase the marks in the board examination as well as CET preparation and its marks also. Simultaneously I am teaching on an Unacademy platform for Mathematics 1 and Mathematics 2 for the 12th standard. All lectures are live there, plus and the special lectures are there. After this small video, there are some PowerPoint slides of Unacademy. If you like it, you can take its subscription. Live lectures, quizzes, tests, everything is there. Okay, and if you like it, you can take its subscription. And if you use my code, that is our sir, you will get the 10% off. Thank you. Unacademy. Let's crack MST CET with Unacademy. Get your subscription today. Use code sir for 10% off. जर तुम्ही माझा हा प्रोमो कोड वापरला तर त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला 10% डिस्काउंट मिळेल आणि निश्चितच यामध्ये ही सर्व फी देखील कमी आहे. मी सर्व लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स यावर शिकवत असतो अनअकॅडमीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती M1 आणि M2 साठी आणि सीईटीच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी सर्व चॅप्टर्सची रिव्हिजन त्यामध्ये होत असते. 11 स्टँडर्डचा 20% पण अभ्यासक्रम यामध्ये कव्हर झालेला असतो. नेक्स्ट, अनअकॅडमी फीचर्स. Learn live from the comfort of your home. Unlimited access to all courses. Top educators of India on one platform. Exhaustive coverage of syllabus. Regular doubt clearing session. Live test series. Study material in PDF form. Answer writing session पण त्यामध्ये असते. Benefit of the MST CET subscription. Mentorship and the guidance. 30 plus top educators. 20 plus batches. Test series, daily practice problems, full length mock test with the analysis, 2000 plus lesson, quizzes at regular intervals for the self analysis. These are the featured educators. Okay. Now the next is a batch courses on March 1st. Okay. These are the batches and the ongoing batch courses. Okay. मॅरेथॉन स्पेशल क्लास सिरीज पण इथे दाखवलेली आहे, यामध्ये तुम्ही जॉईन होऊ शकताय. टेस्ट सिरीज डेली T20 प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट आणि डेज तिथे दिलेला आहे. सीईटी साठीचा पोर्शन इथे दिलेला आहे. फिजिक्स तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट काढून बघू शकताय. नेक्स्ट इज अ biology and the chemistry. Last is mathematics. Okay. Plan for 1 month 1500, and if you apply the code that is Vasan sir, you will get the 10% off. Okay, this is the code you can apply. Okay. निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते आवडलेलं असेल तर तुम्ही निश्चितच याचं सबस्क्रिप्शन घ्या आणि बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये ॲज वेल ॲज सीईटी मध्ये देखील तुम्हाला चांगले मार्क्स मिळू शकतील. थँक यू. Now the next question is, a fair coin is tossed 9 times. Find the probability that it shows head exactly 5 times. Now let us start here. The first is, let X denotes the number of heads. Okay. Let capital X denotes the number of heads. X denotes the number of the heads. P is equals to probability of getting getting head, probability of getting head. And therefore here the P is equals to 1 upon 2. That is head and tail, that is a 50% is the probability. Next, therefore Q is equals to 1 minus E, that is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, Q is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, this X follows the binomial distribution 9 and 1 upon 2, that is NP. X follows the binomial distribution NP. The PMF, what is it? The PMF, probability mass function, on capital X is given as P of capital X is equals to small x is equals to NCX. P of X into Q of N minus X. Okay, that is the P of X. P of X is equals to 9CX into 1 upon 2 raised to X into 1 upon 2 raised to 9 minus X. Okay, and that is equals to 9CX 1 upon 2 raised to X into 1 upon 2 raised to 9 minus X. Now here plus X and minus X will get cancelled, and here you will get 1 upon 2 whole bracket raised to X, and the values of X are 0, 1, 2, dash up to 9. Now here our question is that, what is that? Find the probability that it shows exactly head exactly 5 times. Okay, therefore we write here P, the probability, that is the coin shows head exactly 5 times. Exactly 5 times. That is equals to P of, we can write here, capital X is equals to 5 is equals to P of 5. Okay, and this can be written as 9C 5, and next is a 1 upon 2 whole bracket raised to 9. Now 9C5 can be written as 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5 factorial, means what? Here you will get 4 factorial into 5 factorial into 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 9. Again this can be written as, that is a 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, and this whole divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial into 1 upon 2 raised to 9. This 5 factorial get cancel. Again, what is that? That is a 2. Now here the simplification, that is a 4 into 2, 8. Okay, these two terms will get cancelled. Next is 3 1 and 3 2s are 6. And overall the multiplication, 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 7. That is, you will get 126 upon 2 raised to 9. Means what? 512. You will get 512. And that is equals to 0.2461. 0.2461. Hence the probability that the coin shows heads 5 times is 0.2461. Okay. Now once again I will repeat this problem. A fair coin is tossed 9 times. Find the probability that it shows head exactly 5 times. Okay. This is the 3 marks questions that has been in March 18. Let x is equals to the number of heads, p. The probability of getting head, p is equals to 1 upon 2, q is equals to 1 minus p, that is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. X follows the binomial distribution np. N is 9, p is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, probability mass function of x is given as p of capital X is equals to the small x ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. P of x is equals to 9cx 1 upon 2 bracket raised to x 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 9 minus x. And after simplification, you will get 9cx 1 upon 2 bracket raised to x. X is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. P, the probability that is a coin shows head exactly 5 times. That is a p of capital X is equals to 5. It means p of 5. That is a 9c5 1 upon 2 bracket raised to 9. It means 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5. That is 4 factorial into 5 factorial into 1 upon 9. And after simplification, you will get 126 upon 512. That is equals to 0.2461. Now the next problem is. Now the next question is, the probability that a bomb will hit a target is 0.8. Find the probability that out of the 10 bombs dropped, exactly 4 will hit the target. Okay, this is a question asked in the March 17. Now let small x is equals to the number of bombs hitting the target Next, P is equals to probability of hitting target. Hitting a target. That is the number of the bombs hitting the target. E, the probability of hitting a target. Here, P is equals to Here P is equals to 0.8. It is given. Therefore, Q is equals to 1 minus P, and that is equals to 1 minus 0.8, and that is equals to 0.2. Q is equals to 0.2. What about the last? N is equals to 10. Okay, that is we have given. That is the 10 bombs are dropped. N is equals to 10. Here X follows. Therefore, X follows the binomial distribution where N is equals to 10 and P is equals to 0.8. Therefore, we have the formula. What is that formula? P of capital X is equals to P of capital X is equals to small x, and that is equals to N C x into P raised to X into Q raised to N minus X. Okay, here the probability, that is the P of capital X is equals to 4. That is what I have given. Therefore, it is a 10 C 4 0.8 bracket raised to 4. Next is a 0.2 bracket raised to 4. Okay. N minus X, that is a, sorry. Now here P of capital X is equals to 4 is equals to 10C4 means what? 10 factorial upon 10 minus 4 factorial means what? You will get 6 factorial into 4 factorial into 0.8 and bracket raised to 4 into 0.2 bracket raised to 6. Okay. Again, this can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, and this whole divided by 6 factorial into 4 means what? That is a 4, 3, 2 and 1 into 0.8 raised to 4 into 0.2 bracket raised to 6. Okay. Now here 6 factorial get cancelled. 4 into 2, that is 8 get cancelled. And again here is a division, 3 ones and 3 threes are 9. And hence here you will get, that is a 3 into 7, 21. 21 into 10, that is a 210 into 0.8 bracket raised to 4 into 0.2 bracket raised to 6, and therefore hence the answer is, that is equals to 210 into 0.8 bracket raised to 4 into 0.2 bracket raised to 6. This is the answer. Now the next question is, given that X follows the binomial distribution N is equals to 10 and the P, that we want to find out. E of X is equals to 8. Find the value of P. Now here the solution. Okay, E of X is equals to 8 and that is equals to NP. Okay, therefore the value of N is 10, 10p is equals to 8, and hence 10p is equals to 8. Therefore, p is equals to 8 upon 10, and that is equals to 0.8, and therefore the value of p is equals to 0.8. Okay, now it's very simple question. Now next question. Now the question number 7. Given x follows the binomial distribution NP, if e of x is equals to 6 and variance of x is equals to 4.2, find the value of n. Now the solution, e of x is equals to 6 is equals to NP. Okay, and the variance of x is equals to 4.2, and that is equals to NPQ. Okay, now the next is, if we take the ratio of e of x upon variance of x, e of x upon variance of x, that is equals to NP upon NPQ. Okay, NPQ. NP means what? 6. Here is a 6 upon NPQ. NPQ is a 4.2. And here is a NP will get cancelled, and you will get here, that is a 1 upon Q. 1 upon Q is equals to, if you simplify, multiply n and d by 10, then you will get 60 upon 42, or that is equals to 6 upon 7. Therefore, this is the 10 upon 7. This is the 10 upon 7. Therefore, Q is equals to 7 upon 10, and that is equals to 0.7. The value of Q is 0.7. And hence, the value of P is equals to 1 minus Q, and that is equals to 1 minus 0.7, and that is equals to 0.3. This is the value of P. P is equals to 0.3. Next is E of x. E of x is equals to NP. E of x is equals to NP, and it is the value of E of x is 6. 6 is equals to n into 0.3. Okay, this is the n into 0.3, and hence the n is equals to 6 upon 0.2, and it's very simple. That is multiplied n and d by 10, you will get 60 upon, here is a 3, 0.3, then you will get here 3, and that is equals to 20, and therefore the value of n is equals to 20. This is the value of n is equals to 20, and in this way we get all the values. We get find the value of n, and this is the value of the n. Now the next question, let x follows the binomial distribution NP. E of x is equals to 5 and the variance of x is equals to 2.5. Find the value of NP. Now here x follows X follows the binomial distribution NP. Okay, and E of X, E of capital X is equals to NP is equals to 5, and the variance of X, okay, variance of X, that is equals to NP cube, that is equals to 2.5. If we take the ratios, that is the N P Q upon NP, that is equals to 2.5 upon 5 is equals to 1 upon 2. That is NP get cancelled, and you will get, that is a Q is equals to 1 upon 2. Q is equals to 1 upon 2, that is a 0.5. Also, P is equals to, here, also P is equals to 1 minus Q is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2, that is equals to 1 upon 2 here, right here, 1 upon 2. Therefore, the value of P is equals to 1 upon 2. Now, E of X is equals to NP. We want to find out N also. E of X is equals to NP, that is equals to 5. Therefore, N into 1 upon 2, that is equals to 5. Therefore, N is equals to 10, and hence therefore the value of N, that is equals to 10. P is equals to 1 upon 2. Now the next problem. Given X follows the binomial distribution NP, and if N is equals to 10, P is equals to 0.4. Find E of X and the variance of X. अतिशय सोपी प्रॉब्लेम्स से अशी विचारली जातात. Now here X follows the binomial distribution NP. Okay. Value of N is equals to, we have given, it is 10. P is equals to 0.4. What about the Q? Q is equals to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.4 is equals to 0.6. The value of Q, that is Q is equals to 0.6. Next is E of X. E of X, that is the expected value of X, that is equals to NP. Okay. The value of N is 10 and P is 0.4, and that is equals to 4. Therefore, E of X is equals to 4. Next is a variance of X. Variance of X is equals to NP cube. The value of N is 10. P is 0.4 and Q is 0.6, and therefore the variance of X is equals to, okay, that is 0.4 into 0.6, that is 0.24 into 10, that is equals to 2.4. Therefore, E of X is equals to, first is 4. Variance of X is equals to 2.4. Okay, these are the values that we want to find out. In this way, we have completed up to this question. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.